we have here square of difference. Let me remind you this formula. When we have a minus b to second power, this is equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. So if you remember this formula, you can just write the answer. This will be the answer to our problem. But if you forget, we can always rewrite that a minus b to second power, this is a minus b times a minus b. Next, we have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So we have a times a minus b, and we have negative b times a minus b. Every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So this is equal. Now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. First we have a before parenthesis, so a we have to multiply every expression in the parenthesis by a. So a times a, we have first. Next we have, when we don't have sign, it's always positive, so positive times negative give me negative. A times b is a, b. Next we have negative sign and positive, so it will be negative. B times a, we can write that this is a, b. I just changed the order. In the alphabetic order, first I write a and next b. Because we have multiplication, so I can do this. Negative times negative give me positive. B times b we have. So this is equal. A times a is a square. When we have the same base multiplication, we copy the base and we add exponents. Here is invisible 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Next we have negative ab and negative ab. Here is like invisible 1. So negative term and negative, the like terms. So we keep the sign negative because both terms are negative, and we just add coefficients. 1 plus 1 is 2, and we have to rewrite ab. And at the end we have b times b. Positive sign. The base we copy and invisible exponent 1 and 1. We have 1 plus 1 is 2. B times b is b squared. This is my solution. We got exactly the same what we have here.